Welcome to my tutorial on how to take better photos following 3 simple steps. I'll begin going through all these steps with just short descriptions of how to apply them. After that, I'll go more in depth. So let's start with step 1. Know your object. What do you want to take a photo of? If you don't know your object, chances are high that your photo will look messy and confusing. In this photo, the camera is the main object, which means that I should only focus on the camera. There is way too much showing of the table and stuff in the background that aren't really relevant to the main object. If you think about it, our main object only accounts for like 10% of the photo. This will lead me to step 2, get closer. You want to remove excess space or other things that doesn't need to be there. And you can do this by moving closer or zooming in. Simple as that. So let's go right ahead to step 3, make it 3D. What I mean with this is to show more than one side of the object. Here you can see the top, front and right side of the camera, which gives the photo much more depth than before. And that's the 3 steps. Know your object, get closer, make it 3D. I'll say it again. Know your object, get closer, make it 3D. Here you can see the difference between the first photo and the last one. If you keep these steps in mind, I'll guarantee you that your photos will be better. But I will also say this. There are no definite rules in photography, just guidelines. Trust your eyes. These guidelines will help you most of the time, but sometimes you might want to choose other techniques to achieve your perfect photo. As you get better, you will be able to choose and combine different guidelines and know which fits the best for the situation. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later.